What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and guys, we have to talk about it. We're at the end of the year. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 as my big utility phone, but the S24 Ultra will be out as soon as the year changes. Should I switch it up? Now let's just talk about it. I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 since it came out. I stopped using the S23 Ultra and picked up the Z Fold 5. Does that mean that I'm going to stop using the Z Fold 5 and pick up the S24 Ultra? Honestly, when I got rid of my S23 Ultra, I got rid of it because I was tired of it, because it was just, the S24 Ultra is a big phone. It's a big unwieldy phone, and I became more akin to something a little bit more comfortable in my hand. Now the Z Fold 5, yes, it's a foldable, it's a little heavy, but you can actually fold this device down and use the cover display, which is very comfortable. And the weight doesn't matter much because this is thin enough where I can get a good grip on it and use it one hand. So with that being said, it's still a hard pass on the S24 Ultra, because the S23 Ultra actually, guys, is a lot of phone. It's a lot of device. The S24 Ultra gonna come with the best processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. All the Snapdragon since the 8 Gen 1 pretty much been top dog processors for Android smartphones. I'm sure it's gonna have a dialed in camera system just like the S23 Ultra, one of the best camera, photography, videography systems on Android smartphones to this date. And also now they adding AI features. With all that being said, guys, I just like the form factor of the Z Fold 5 and me being able to use it one-handed. Sometimes it's not about all the bells and whistles. It's about the bells and whistles that you're going to use. And I just noticed that I didn't pick up my S23 Ultra as much because I was reaching for something that was more compact, a little slimmer, a little easier to use one-handed, because 90% of the time we're doing simple stuff with our phone, so you don't got to use your best, most powerful phone to reply to emails, text, look at social media and things of that nature. Now, there is some big differences between having a Ultra and having a Z Fold. The Z Fold still don't have a pen in it and things of that nature, and the outside display is a little narrow, but you know, I make the best of it. I changed up the keyboard layout and it works for me. I think at this point what I would be more interested in is actually looking at the S24 Ultra, carrying a compact S24 Ultra with that Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, because I've developed a thing for compact phones, but I just want to see what type of shooter, what type of camera sensors is gonna be on that device. I feel like that could possibly be a really great compact phone, very powerful, some decent battery life, and a dialed in camera. So as of now, no, I wouldn't get rid of my Z Fold 5 for S24 Ultra, because it's not really about the specs. It's just about the feel, it's about the vibe, it's about me being comfortable in the form factor. A lot of people picked up another device when it came to the Z Fold 5. A lot of people picked up the Pixel Fold because they just like the outside display. Form factor is big now, guys. All these phones are powerful. All of them take good pictures, all of them take good video, but sometimes it's just the feel. And I don't think that I want another Ultra device right now, because I just like to be comfortable. And sometimes when you just got a big unwieldy device, when I want to just do phone stuff, I don't utilize it like I should because it's not a comfortable device in hand. I'd rather pick up something else and use something else that I'm comfortable with, that I could use one-handed and things of that nature. Already from the leaks, we see that the S24 Ultra is going to be a big boy, and I'm just not in that race no more for the biggest device. I don't feel like big means superior anymore. I feel like processor, cameras, video, the way the device moving makes it superior. I think one place where Samsung is messing up at, just like iPhone, Apple has a 15 Pro and then they have a 15 Pro Max. The S24, the smaller compact S, should have a version with every feature that the Ultra has, but just in a compact form factor, and then maybe get another S device that's just a little bit more budget friendly. I just don't like how the S24, you can only get it in a 1080 screen and things of that nature, but I want a compact device. I want all the bells and whistles. I just don't want to have to deal with a behemoth. So those are my thoughts right now, guys, on the upcoming Samsung devices. And of course, way more content is coming. So if you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.